Hi guys, Morrissey here, back again with a quick video. Well, another video. What I'm gonna be doing today on this video is I'm gonna be putting back together my TP motor 5860 1000 kV. Yeah, I had a I had a crash here a couple weeks back. Yeah, messed up the back part. I think I did some pictures, you know, post it showing what happened and stuff. But yeah, I got the parts and stuff from TP Motors. Yeah, the shaft, the reason, yeah, I had to replace the shaft. It was damaged due to the accident. The back cover flew off, had this spinning, yeah, damaged the back of it and everything. So I ordered the parts from TP Motors and I got them just the other day. So I'm just doing a quick video to show you guys how to put it back together. And yeah, for those who don't know how to open a motor or yeah, service or whatever to a motor, yeah, just a quick video to show those of you who don't know. Yeah, so basically this is the new shaft. As you could see, I got this one off of TP Motors. They sent me a new shaft for the 1000 kV, so I'm gonna install this today. So basically you put two of these. You put one of the tin ones, I would say. So I have a little play. Slide that on. And put on a thicker one. I also got the new front piece replacement, brand new, and also the new back piece, brand new, as you guys could see. Yeah, brand new, old, new, new, old. Yeah, but anyways, so what I'm gonna be doing is installing the new ones, putting that back together. Yeah, putting that back together. Just on this little thing here, so I'm gonna put this on as well. As the front part back on. So I'm gonna put this back through. So Jesus, it just pulled it in it. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. So as I was saying, I'm gonna put in the screws, the front screws. Yeah, I'm gonna put them in. It's 6 of them. So I'm gonna do that now. Yep, so that's the front part on. I'm just gonna tighten up all of them. Yep. 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 All good. All right. So that's the shaft in, front part on. This motor is a demon to spin, just like that, man. So what's the thing now? I'm realizing that I have to drill some holes in the back part. Yeah, check it out. So what I gotta do next, I gotta put some little holes there. Don't know if you guys could see that. Yeah, I gotta put a hole there, one there, and one there. So basically it's 3 holes. Yeah, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 holes. And then the motor is done. It's ready to rock and, oh, look the spin there. Oh my god. She is a beast. Yeah, so basically this was the motor I used to run before. It was a 1000 kV, 5860. Yeah, that's me putting the 5860 motor back together with the new parts in one. These are just extras. Don't think that I left anything out. It's just spares and whatnot, you know what I mean? So yeah, these are the 3 screws I have to make the holes for. What I gotta do tomorrow, I gotta go to the depot shop, our local depot, and get a small drill bit to drill the little hole there so I could put the screws in. Then this motor is back up and running, brand new basically. Yeah, 1000 kV. Lovely. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was just a quick video to show you guys how to put the motor and shaft back together. I hope it helps someone. Thanks for watching. More RC.